Welcome back. Welcome back to another amazing tutorial. Thank you guys for tuning in. Feels like it's been a while, but I don't want to take up too much of your time, so let's get right into it. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add a Google Maps on your WordPress website. So let's jump right in. Let's jump right in. So as you can see, I've got my website in front of me, and what you're going to be basically trying to recreate or trying to add on your website is this feature here, which is traditionally on the contact page of every website. You'll find, you get the contact details, your working hours, a form, and usually it's the address of the place. So this is what we're going to try and recreate on your WordPress website, but just for the tutorial sake, I'll show you how to do it on my website. So I'm going to jump into my contact page. Let me click that, and then it should take me to contact. Correct. Now this is also a very useful tool. Like I said, traditionally you'll see it on a lot of contact pages. I've seen other people who have it on their landing page, but if you've got more than one page, then yeah, I would definitely recommend you add it on your contact page. So as you can see here, I've got a pretty comprehensive form that just tries to capture details about my service offerings and what it is that the client or prospect that is on my website is looking for. So then we're going to just jump into edit this page with Elementor once you're on the designated page where you'd like to add this particular Google Maps or the maps address. And we'll wait for Elementor to open up. While I wait for that to load, I just want to send a quick shout out to my friend Greenhouse Beats for always supplying us with some great tunes, some great ambience music for these videos. So thank you so much, Green. I'll definitely have his link in the description below. Make sure to check out his page. And yeah, so what we're going to want to do is just create, add a section here. And we're going to look for, right there on the left is Google Maps. And just like that, I believe I don't even need to add this anymore. We can add our address. So let me say, let's make progress. I wonder if it'll, and let the magic do its thing. And there you have it. Let's make progress. It's already got the name of my company, my reviews, about us. And if you wanted to make this bigger, you can just go to your section here, click on this content width, make it full width, and you can adjust the height as you want as well. So if you wanted it to fit to screen, then you could do that. But as you can see here, the map isn't fully, it doesn't have full height. So we're going to click on this edit Google section here, and we're going to increase the height like that manually. So you can have it as much height as you want. You can go ahead and zoom in here as much as you want. But yeah, that's basically it. And all you have to do is just click on update, and Bob is your uncle. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in to another great tutorial. Make sure to smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that you are constantly updated with every new tutorial that I post. And if you are happy with this tutorial, please let me know what kind of other tutorials you'd like to see. If you're having any troubles on your WordPress website and there's something that I can be able to help you with, then do not hesitate to reach out to me personally. I'll have my details in the description below. But until next time, keep making progress.